If one were to imagine any Indian piece of furniture, Charpai is the first thing which comes in the mind.
So the Charpai project started off with the idea of looking at a quintessentially Indian product, the Charpai. It's something which is seen across much of India, especially North India, and the idea was to bring it back into popular imagination and get students, designers, artists and the lay person to appreciate the various forms in which the Charpai or the idea of weaving on a frame can be abstracted. From there we got the idea of how about making an installation which is like a mini city, which is like something which people can live in, move around, enjoy. So that was kind of the starting point of the idea, and we wanted to make something which was temporary, could move around, could have various avatars. So the installation here is the fourth time that the installation is being put up.
And it's been here in southern East Asia since centuries, and it's been used by kings and like farmers, poor people, everyone of all classes. And we have different sort of charpais around India according to the regions, according to the needs. Charpais in Indian miniature paintings and in Ajanta Ellora and sculptures, and lot of multiple places you can find charpai.
So the materials used are essentially it's scaffolding, it's plywood, it's rope, and it's strips of webbing. It's called nivar in the local language. So that's really what it takes. It does take a lot of planning to see how the configurations work, safety, access, being able to move around. But the actual installation took only about 4 days to set up.